If you're running low on time, as we housewives often are, we're so busy, but still want to decorate for Halloween, it's not too late. Molly, my girlfriend here, may be an evil fairy, but she's your fairy godmother when it comes to DIYs, to spook the trick-or-treaters, spook those little trick-or-treaters. So you've got some great DIYs that we're going to want to emulate in our own homes.
I mean, I love to be spooky, but what's a godmother? Does that involve little children?
A little bit, yes. Small.
I don't even know how you call me a housewife. I'm not married. Who gets married anymore?
Is anyone? I don't know.
Let's do some DIYs.
Let's do some DIYs,
right?
Shall we? What have you got first for us, darling?
So, when anyone comes into my house, you need to wipe off your feet.
Yes.
So the first DIY, you don't need a plain mat. That's for some basic witch mats. We don't do basic around here. Not like that friend of yours, or former friend of yours.
Right. That
So we're gonna do a little DIY.
All right.
Stuff?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
I've got you.
So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your home printer. And you're gonna make a little saying, like 100% that witch.
Oh, yes.
Because you know I am.
Very clever.
Then you're gonna take your X-Acto knife. Or, if you got some sharp nails,
Oh, you can use those too.
and you can cut around the entire thing.
Okay.
I use my nails and my claws, and we make a little stencil.
Molly, looks amazing. Put that on the mat.
Put it on the mat. You're gonna take a basic mat.
Yeah.
You want a stiff bristle brush.
Okay.
Stiff is always better.
Okay.
Like it stiff.
All right.
I recommend some outdoor paint. It'll
Yes.
stick better.
Okay.
And you're just gonna dab.
Give it a little dab.
Do the dab.
Do the dab.
Do the dab.
That's right. Okay.
Once that guy's done, you let it dry for 24 hours.
So simple.
And then you get,
so
it's really easy.
Beautiful.
You are 100% that witch.
100%. And you prove it every single time, Molly.
Final thing, one final spray coat. It's also good as hairspray. Keep your mat protected.
Very nice.
So, the thing I love, but I've got real ones at my home,
Yes.
spider nests.
Ooh, very spooky.
So if your castle isn't filled with real spiders' nests,
Yes.
you're doing something wrong. A clean castle has spiders' nests.
Well,
but I can
that'll
show you
keep
how to
them
make
away.
some DIY style.
All right.
So the first trick
Yeah.
is you're gonna get a ball.
Okay.
Or I actually found this at one of those stores where everything's $1.
Oh, I like that.
It lights up. It's magic.
Spooky, yes.
It's a magic orb.
So good. Now
Then
what do we do?
You're gonna take some stockings, white stockings.
Okay.
I don't know who wears white anymore after Labor Day.
I mean, come on.
So you chop them off. You're gonna take
Yeah.
one of the legs, you're gonna cut it off with scissors.
Okay.
And then with the magic of our staff and the fairies below,
Yes. Oh,
you get your egg.
beautiful.
So you're gonna place some spiders on your egg,
Yes.
and then you're gonna wrap it in cobwebs.
Lovely.
Lots of cobwebs.
Super easy, right? The cobwebs are just
And
going
then
to
you
stay
add more
because
spiders
it's
on
cotton.
top, and it sticks.
Yes,
And then you've got a beautiful, welcoming home.
I think that's lovely.
Every spider.
It's disgustingly perfect, darling. Okay, now what if you want more gore? What can we do in our home?
We all want more gore.
Yes.
So what about some gory house numbers?
Ooh.
I don't know what a house is. I don't know what numbers are, because you should have a castle, or you're basic. But let's make some Halloween horror numbers.
Horrific.
The trick,
Yes.
colored glue sticks.
All right.
Humans invented this, only good thing they've ever done.
Okay. Yes.
Put it in a mini glue stick, and you're gonna slowly drip on the numbers.
Does it really just go on like
It
that?
just really
Because
goes
that is
on, and then you let it
perfection.
drip. You tilt it up a little, it drips.
Yeah.
If you want it to dry fast, you just blow a little,
And then it's going to be done in...
and then it's gonna be done. You just keep layering on
Seconds.
your drips.
Okay.
And then next year, if you're over blood, because
Yes.
it's very 2021, you can just peel it off.
Very nice. I believe you have another spooky thing that we can
One
put in our
last-
windows.
Yes, one last spooky thing for in your windows.
Okay.
They're these beautiful little silhouettes. When you look into my window, I've got real creatures inside. If you do not have real creatures, we can make you some.
Okay. How do we do this one?
So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go on that computer,
Oh, yes,
like a
yes.
typewriter?
I know what you're speaking of, yes.
and you're gonna print out some spooky claws. So it's just a home printer. I blew it up and printed out spooky claws.
Okay. And you want it on the graph paper?
I mean, I added the graph so I could see.
Yes.
My eyesight's not so good in old age. And then you're gonna take either your nails again,
Yep.
or your X-Acto, and you're gonna cut along the lines.
Okay.
And then from the magic
I can follow
of
that.
Maleficent, we have claws.
Oh, they're so spooky.
And beaks.
Very nice.
You just put them up in your window,
Yes.
pull down your shades, go to bed, don't hand out any candy.
Molly, you know what I have to say? The great thing about all of these DIY solutions is that they are, number one, incredibly cheap. We know that witch will appreciate that. They are incredibly easy to make, and they are also temporary. You know, a lot of folks want to be able to have some decor and design that they haven't spent a lot of money on, that witch, and that they're going to be able to take down at the end of the holiday. I think you have done a fabulous job. I love the fact that you never talk about me behind my back.
Never.
Molly, you
I
are
barely remember
quickly
your name.
becoming my favorite, unlike some of the other housewives around here. Great ideas. Thank you, darling. This is
Thank
yours.
you.
Very nice.